Hi everybody, it's Katrina. We are out here at our location that my friend said we could use today. The event last night was wonderful. I had a very good time. And I'm just showing you how I've set up the table and everything. I've used 2 tables here. It is very windy and about 41 degrees out. So it's chilly but not too bad. I have things turned different ways so that it can be seen from other angles as well. As you see, my balloons are trying to go on vacation. They're trying to give up, but we're gonna use them balloons till we can't use them anymore. Excuse me. And then the bags and the lightweight things I just set up in the back of the car so that they could be seen as well. Probably gonna move that bear though because he's kind of heavy. That's a men's gift bear with the power washing, and it is kind of heavy. This is the strip mall. There are 2 churches down here on this end, convenience store there, and a restaurant all the way down on the other end. Then there's a gas station across the street, and this is the street that we're sitting on. And then right up here is the main highway that connects the towns together. So there's a Dollar General right up there on that corner as well. So this is a very good location. I think if we come to this location enough and be consistent with it, that sales will be great. So church will be getting out soon. Those 2 churches will start to leave. And hopefully we'll get some people in here. My daughter is here helping me out. And as you can see, she's being as goofy as she wants to be, but that's my baby. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll let you know how it goes. Y'all have a wonderful day.